Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable comments for a specific pin on Pinterest. First of all, launch your Pinterest app in your mobile device. After that, on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Select that, and when you reach your profile you can see the top option that says created by you. Tap on the created by you. Over here you'll be seeing the pins that you have created. Tap on one of the pins. What you have to do is, when you reach to the pins, tap on the top right corner of the three dot icon, select that, and over here we could see the allow comments option. What you have to do is simply toggle on the button. If it's like this, simply go to the same instructions and toggle on the option that says allow comments, and this is it. This is how you can enable comments for a specific pin on Pinterest. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.